Hello all, we'll continue with the 8th part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting an interior in 3dsmax using Vray. So let's get started over here. As we have seen over here, we have done the lighting part over here till here. So now if you want some more lighting over here, as we have used a key light over here as a sun, you can use one more V-ray light. Take a V-ray light over here, or you can also use an IES light. You can use a V-ray light. Into the V-ray you can use a dome over here, so you can easily light it up. You can go into the top view and you can use a dome light. You can select this particular dome, shift this over here, and you can go into this target light. You can reduce the multiplier of this light over here and you can give a bit of a yellowish color. So now go over here, you can increase. As you can see, the multiplier which is applied over here will behave in this manner. You can go down into this options, make it invisible, no decay and double sided. Go down, you can increase the resolution and also you can work with the disk size. You can decrease the size of the disk, that is your target distance and your emit radius. You can easily reduce this particular area wherever you want. So you can select this target and push it on the top over here. So as you can see, you can take it with any of the cameras. So you can select this intensity multiplier, you can take it as 0.3 over here, and let's render with the camera. So we are rendering over here. So as you can see, it will take some time over here for the rendering. So let's render it. It's still rendering. So it's going to render the 3 pre-passes. The first one, the second one and the third one. So let it render. So as you can see over here, we have also given some reflection on the floor as it is required. You're given a bit of reflection. Also, you can apply a bump map over here to give a bit of depth. So if you want to give a roughness on the wall, so that can also be given over here using the bump map. So you can use a bump map also. So we have applied one more light over here. That is a Vray light in the form of a dome for the lamp. It still takes some more time. So after the conclusion of this particular output, we can save the image. We can take this image into Photoshop and we can edit this image over there. It still takes some more time. So finally it's going to render up the output. So finally it's going to render over here. So after finishing this rendering, we'll save this image. We'll save this image over here. So you've got a lot of reflection on the ceiling. You can reduce that reflection, and the light we have assigned over here is very less. Still there's a light. So let's save this image over here. So let's save it as render 1 and save it in the form of JPG. So now as you can see the output. So we'll do a bit of retouching part in Photoshop in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial.